Okay, so let's look at a concrete example of naive Bayes. Suppose we have a bunch of people who either subscribe to ESPN the magazine or they don't. We have 1,000 or so people. So 1 in column E means they subscribe. Okay, 0 means they don't subscribe. And basically we have their age, 4 categories: young adult, Generation X, baby boomer, or just old. And we have their gender. I'll assume everybody's male or female. It might get me in trouble, but I'm sorry. We have the income, lower, upper, or middle. And we have where they live, rural, urban, or suburban area. And so given these 4 pieces of information, for instance, you might be Generation X, male, middle income, suburban. Should we classify you as a subscriber or non-subscriber? This would help us a lot in advertising. Now, not everybody subscribes. It turns out about 1/3 of the country will suppose subscribes to ESPN the magazine. They wish. But basically, it's a perfect example of naive Bayes. We have 2 classes, subscriber and non-subscriber. We have 4 attributes: age, gender, income, and location. Age can have 4 values, gender 2, income 3, and location 3. So basically, to do the naive Bayes classification, we need to know for basically each of our attribute values. Here are the ages, here are the genders, here are the income, here are the location. We need to know how likelihood it was given basically somebody's a subscriber that they're a young adult, a Generation X, a boomer, or old. These probably have to add to 1. Okay, so this is where COUNTIF comes in truly handy. So we first need to know the total number of people. Okay, so we find the total number of subscribers. We count how many 1s there are in column E, and then the non-subscribers count how many 0s and add that up. We got 1,024 people here. Okay, so basically, given you're a subscriber, what's the chance you're a young adult? You would take the number of young adults divided by the number of subscribers. Well, the number of subscribers is right here. Okay, so we would $sign the G there and use row 21. For non-subscribers, we'd use row 22. So what does this formula do? So you look at column A, age. And if column age matches young adult, then basically it's COUNTIF. If age matches young adult and subscriber equals 1, then basically that's how many people are young adult and subscribers divided by the total number of subscribers. That's the likelihood that basically somebody's a young adult given they're a subscriber. And copy that across, that's going to be the chance that they're giving their subscriber their Gen X. This is the chance they're giving their subscriber they're a boomer. Giving their subscriber, what's the chance that they're old? Okay, these add to 1. In other words, the likelihood that somebody's a young adult given subscriber, Gen X given subscriber, boomer given subscriber, old given subscriber, those have to add to 1. Now, for example, we go down here, we have given their subscriber, what's the chance that they're a male? Well, that's 67%. You'd expect that with ESPN the magazine. And the chance that basically they're a female given a subscriber, you would basically count how many females are subscribers divided by how many subscribers. Here you do it for non-subscribers. So you would count basically 0. So you count how many people are female and they are not subscribers divided by how many non-subscribers. So now we have our likelihoods in place. In the next video, we can conclude our discussion of naive Bayes classification by basically computing, given any value of the attributes here from drop-down boxes, the posterior probability that they're a subscriber or non-subscriber, and classify them into whatever group has a higher posterior probability. And you'll see that's pretty straightforward given the work we've done. The hard work we've done is up here.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.